HARSLE HT series fiber laser tube cutting machine is developed and designed for pipe processing, with high cutting efficiency and low operating cost. Its imported fiber laser has stable performance and a large variety of materials and processing range. Thanks to the imported high-torque servo motor /TS652, rotating speed can run at 120 round per minute, 1 point to gravity acceleration, and can reach full throttle in the blink of an eye. The machine adopts high-precision double pneumatic chucks. It can clamp conventional tubes including round and square tubes, and profiles like channel and angle steel. The chucks can be one key opening and closing and with a full stroke. 2 rows of rollers are adopted for a wide range of clamping, with no tube deformation. Its front chuck ventilation achieves smoke-free cutting and long service life. The specific tube cutting system supports offset tube center error in production to improve through holes cutting precision, steel channels cutting, separate technique for corner cutting, and it also has access encoder feedback in real time. HARSLE offers nearly 100 kinds of tube joggling patterns for the convenience of subsequent weldings, such as splicing of the male and female heads of square tubes, 90 degrees arc splicing, splicing of cut-through holes, etc. HARSLE is committed to providing innovative solutions for high-precision processing. Cutting demonstration. Product demonstration.
HARSLE. Save time, money.